Let the band play.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Another early look, another unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. You know what I'm saying? Here we have, it's not gonna be like the other video, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm at my man Kendall house today. Because he actually hit for these off sneakers. Here we, Kendall!
Yo, what's good, bro? What the fuck is that?
You said you got Fire Red 4s. These are 2013 Fire Red 5s, bro.
A few moments later.
Thanks for calling Nike. Para continuar en español, presiona el 2. Thank you for contacting Nike. My name is Simon. Do I have the pleasure of speaking with tonight?
Yeah, we're back with Fire Red 4s, an early look. You know what I'm saying? First look at them. They pretty good. I'm not gonna hold you. I like them. They nice. The red a little too bright for me though. I'm not gonna hold you. The red a little too vibrant. But besides that, they went for a pretty much OG look here. The OG. I've never seen this before, like on a retro.
Yeah. Cause it's usually like that square.
The square Jordan
square
one,
black.
yeah. So like I ain't never seen the orange Nike one before. So I think they brought out one OG for this release. You have the Nike on the back tab, you got Nike on the bottom. You know, these are a pretty good shoe. They look better quality than my 5s. If I'm being honest with you. I love that.
Bro, it just seems like with every time Nike tries to do like an OG,
they mess up.
They mess up, bro. Every time. Now it's still a good looking shoe. Don't get me wrong, still a good shoe. But like the quality on the leather is just not.
You worn these ones before?
You
worn them before?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure, bro?
Yeah. What you mean?
Nah, these ones are not that stuff,
bro.
You realize I have scuffs on this shoe? And then you have like asphalt. I mean, so it was definitely not that stuff. Where you going?
You might call Nike back.
You about to call Nike back, bro?
Yeah.
I need another shoe. Nah, this is ridiculous, bro. What happened to your box?
Bruh, this and the frags, both of the boxes came in like this, bro. If y'all can see, I don't know if it's gonna catch it for real, but it's dented right here, and then look at the bottom. It's like some type of fucking crease or water damage or something.
Wrinkles.
Yeah, wrinkles or something, bro. It's like, I don't know what beef UPS has with Nike or UPS has with me, but they.
Yeah, I need to sort that out. Bro.
Yeah.
No, these look cool though. You know what I'm saying? They're not bad. And you have another scuff mark. Hey yo.
Basically losing on my money.
Yeah, bro. Just hit again and return these things. It's like, no, don't return these things. I take them off for free.
For free.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, end of the video. This nigga's getting out of my house.
No, these ones cool. Would you wear these? Are these wearable?
They're like, what you mean, like the fit or like
would you wear these? Would you buy these and wear these?
I wouldn't buy them and wear them. If the braid 4s wasn't a thing, maybe I would. I just like the braids way better. It's like the same colorway but black.
Black, yeah. But black is what better. Dark is better than light though.
Yeah, dark is always better than light when it comes to shoes.
Alright, y'all, we about to do some on feet. This time we about to do full outfits. Kind of last time I was asking for more than just the lower half. So we're about to do that, and hopefully y'all like it.
when you say nigga, a lot of people are saying, that's gotta be racist. There's no way. I'm just keeping it real. There's no way that is like of our culture.
Music, bro. What you put on the car, bro? You putting up on the Saudi, bro? You playing this way, bro? You putting up on Saudi playing this way, bro?
Nah, I'm not gonna pull up on this woman when she get in the car, so she feel like she can be though. it's like hey, fucking say no, bro. Tell y'all.
These joints have been worn.
Nah, I don't know. I'm talking about, bro.
Bro, these joints sound like DS, bro. Yo, these joints are not DS.
Yeah, fours.
They too narrow at the top.
Hey, watch y'all sizing on fours. I'll just say that. Watch y'all sizing.
OC. I had a pair of Black Cat 4 size 12. Did not fit. I tried that shoe on. 12.5. Did not fit.
Bro, if you wear a size 10, you wear a size 10, get a size 12 and a half.
What? What? No, wear a size 10, get a size 10. I have literally all my. I try to keep all my shoes in the best condition.
If you're a normal nigga, listen to me. If you're a normal nigga and you walk outside and go about your endeavors, you're gonna fuck your shoes up. Your shoes are gonna end up being dirty, bro. I'm telling you.
Let's say on a normal day, bro, you go to school, right? After school, let's say you go get something to eat with your friends. You go to your friend's place and you go home, right?
Okay.
You go to school, you park your car, right? You get out your car, you walk to school. You know what I'm saying? Unless you walk in OC route, bro, you shouldn't have OC pieces.
So you telling me, out of everything I done that day, I didn't trip not once.
Why are you tripping every day? Why are you tripping every day?
I'm just saying, I'm a come up really.
I feel like if you're anything above a size 12 and you're anything shorter than 6'2", you shouldn't be wearing anything above size 12.
Yeah, I'm not. I can't fuck with it.
Like I feel like
I don't want what he said to make y'all niggas think I'm like 5'3" or something. I'm definitely at the limit. I'm definitely like 6'2", but it's just like